Hello, beloveds. A new month has begun. You've done well coming this far. And here are some new light codes for the energy moving forward. Hashua kana eshia te eshu to shikatane e. Hashua nakete neneshe. Okutune ne shikatane eshuatane e. Hashua kana eshe. Hotuni nishi ishikotane eshe atashia noko. Hatiane esha totoko oshi. Hanya shi atane e ke neshi. Ne shiwana eshikane ne ukoto unaka et ana eshate ukotune neshe atate shu katana e hashon yashana eshe hati ana neshe katana e hotono e kenane ana neshe oti ana eshe hoshya tana eshi ka ata ana e Ota ene shianya ku oto ukuti asha. Ata asha ukuti shianya sho. Hoshia na sha katana oane. Ha shane shuate eshe. Eshwata shone. Ha nya sho. O shiati shia. Hatichishi koto oshu. Hashane eshi ko osho. Anane eshe ati ashi ukutu oshika ate eshe kotashe. Hashi anyasha otushia ti ana eshe kisha oshia tanene tianane shuata hoshu kotene shiato hane kiti ishuane keene eshe shua shianane hiashianane shi Hoshuane shi ine ishikati otodosho otoshia hatiane she koshi one hatane she. You are doing well on your path. Keep going. Have faith that the ship you have built is carrying you where you need to go. Keep going forward with what you know is truest for you, and you will get through the bumps that may come ahead as you go forward on your new path. You are ready. You're prepared. Now it's just time to go forward. Many blessings. If you need a personal reading, you can contact me below. There is also a monthly Elohim Light Language Transmission online retreat that I offer, and the link for that will be below as well. I have been guided since the equinox in June to do longer light language transmissions via a live group webinar. And this is what is linked below. There is a recording to that live group webinar. If you are interested in me doing this live on YouTube, that you can sign up, or live on Facebook, let me know if you're interested in signing up this way by commenting on this video. And I will see about making that happen. But for now, the download to this month's longer Elohim Light Language Ascension transmission is located below. Thank you.